fino, anana fie negere. Iwe no keke fi anana no fie no say. Uraya uve ya uwe, uraya five ya fiwe. Ona elegbewi ona eboti anetu one. Iwe legbewi na kiyo ona eboti anetu one. Uraya uve ya uwe, uraya five ya fiwe. Ona elegbewi ona eboti anetu one. Iwe legbewi na kiyo ona eboti anetu one.
Just got admission. A cafe can get admission.
Are you serious? I'm so proud of you. You see, you're talking. That's why I'm here. I'm proud of you. Oh, no. Yes. No way. Why is it good?
Because of jealousy, you killed your brother. Now you don't be boss. You don't do anything for where you not slow. You don't forget say anything where you show, you must return.
Now blood. Eh? I still remember saying, if not so that you guys will continue. Eh? When you say, this life sweet.
Don't take love into your hands.
I would suggest we are able to do. Yes, everyone is broke and need money. So you get information from him. Let go their next target. Now automatically.
Mama, that one is true too. That one a better plan because me myself and don't they meet me. And they meet me. Even to even bear better Colorado, any sling tie they had. I go need to go. It didn't my mind before. I be the fear to tell you.
So that's it. I want you to do that as soon as, in fact, you know the story now. Later, just try to get ready on it. No, Mama. What's the one I know? You get it? You get it? That's my girl. I mean, again, you need to enter streets.
Okay. You know, when you never kill her, like, you look up always in on a couple of studying. I won't go to jail in Kuala. No, only needing your work. So, and I have so much fun in love with you. Really love it. Man, I don't know how you feel. You really are surprising. It's a good thing.
Okay, surprise. I like surprise.
I know you like surprise. And you know you have a clue in your way.
Let me go.
No problem.
Try to do my bag. Oh.
Hey. Nothing. Just take my hand.
But there's something I have to do.
Baby, come on. Marry me if you love me.
Okay, I'll marry you.
Well, I'm not saying more. Wow. So you can go. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay. Oh, because I hear I'm here.
Anything. anytime you want.
Are you sure?
All those girls who call the scene, enough your way. We were so well when I shop in iron. Who will let me over none of the eh? The other time we were about all those days to shop. We were so very banner where we the chap. Who was the gas chicken message of it? I think they will miss over for
Man, I don't believe. I've been telling me where any babe at all if you try this nonsense to me, he won't, you know. I might go again, maybe if you wear no baby man. Man, we kiss secret no, there isn't anything. No, because I did not come now, I be saying, man, because I did not be normal knocking, no be normal things. Yeah, what women have to go out with you are.
No, I'm support us.
This girlfriend, not the issue.
That's all.
Chair.
Oh no, boy! What do you mean? I better hear this girl name out the verse. I should be so a fuck up. A good fuck up in the obey.
So, why when are you
maybe now where are you and I'm a babe. I saw me a name man the ya fucking me up. Me to be me ya baby me ya way me. Bros, I not tell you now. Start drop it. You understand me so?
So, you know soon, we're trying to call it.
You call it up, see, as I day here now, my man, that go their house, me go wipe all those dirty guys, trouble. See, me go wipe all those idiots when not in the park. All those dirty things, all those dirty. I'll wipe all of them. Normal thing. Me go spray them. You understand? She fuck up now, cause she to reason my matter. Go they betray me. She fuck up. Me go wipe all of them.
Okuta. Last. I told the women, I told them so
not everybody where they call joy, now they get joy. Not everybody where they call Messi, now they messy person.
Now you don't read for where you know so. You don't forget say anything where you show, you must return. Uga we no man, we got it. Uga we never got it. Eshate, it will laugh last, must laugh the best. And you can hang no more.
Enough it be truth. Enough. Yeah, we man not be oh. Yeah, we man not be no. Bola. Bola body dey there so. Bola you want brutalize me about it for. Bola no gree outside them again. They brutalize her. Why don't push her Bola like this? Why don't push her Bola like that? I don't do Bola like that. I don't push her Bola like this. I don't continue I said that bit. This is too much now. What a fuck! Look at
Honey?
Yes?
Phone is ringing.
Where your phone?
Okay. Honey? You came here!
Yes. It's not what you think. You are explaining.
But this is illegal. So what are you going to explain to me?
Just listen. Just give me listening ear. Let me explain.
Holy shit, man. Okay, now give me what's your explain my interview. Can we get to the night while we're
You make life a bit straight for me. How you not destroy family when they kill my mother? They see me. You not bury me. They shot my younger sister Mudia. I lost my sister and I'm left all alone in this world. They did that to me. They make life miserable for me.
Let me tell you. So till now, only my where I complaints were like, you know.
You're foolish. They recognize it. It did try several times. It tried to poison on your own. It conscious in me. My thing because the more is stainable, more is stainable with blood. I don't want to kill it.
Yeah, but I help you with that water. Sorry, look at it now. I'm like, my belly body shall like, my way. For sure. Be serious. Because, you know, I help you with all your confess. Like, I don't use anything. When love the wedding, when anything will give you a
I promise I haven't. I don't even have that mind.
Okay, what you have to do, yeah? If you want every drop, just be with them, okay? Try and have information with them. We are breaking it. One, maybe by the grace of God, we make provision of how to get my best friend. When you guys, I mean, I don't know, promise you, but almost see now. Let's say police will already know the man. What he taking? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Promise. Please don't do this again. Okay? And one innocent face. Yes?
Kill my girl. No pay me. But put it to my face. Something I would never allow slide. Insult. Don't let a girl when they make things they happen for here. Kill her just like that. Say no for me. This down tomorrow. Blood go flow. For real.
Now, yes. Come on now. We'll paint your house blood now. Why am I left? We are talking better thing. I reason better today. Enough!
UK. Girls, get ready. Who might you be?
The woman you be there. The woman you there. Now you know how they take them. You see like all my children. All those guys they want to collect it. They will feel our body. Now this. See. Wait, you don't want to know that. I don't understand. That kind of thing.
Bros, not vessel. With all due respect, permit me to say this: you fuck up. If I tell you say you fuck up now, you say I be bad person. You fuck up, bro. It's time I already. I tell you, I know say this guy thing you go out. You come to this one day. I tell you, as I just up to day get that day. Leave us. Leave me. As they come out, we know. As if say, we don't kill my babe. Na person will do or something. Now we go face. Now so they say they be bad guy, bro. Now so they say be bad guy. They bad guy. To be a bad guy, now only way it could make you rugged. Now for you to hear they do. Both person will do you something, both person will not do you anything. Just the fuck all of the up they go. Then make you rugged. You understand? You feel you're the corner, you just see person, he greet you, he not greet you, you'll slap on. It go make you rugged. People go know your name for that area. You say no, you're my woman, me but see her now, it don't suck. So not picking now, and they call and say, more come out now, more come stage.
Alright, problem not there. They say they don't this stage for junction, say more come down. While I'm not there down, me not leave. Rest for me. One of my guys put on call. Carry us. Better driver. Now I drive follow the enemy that time and they stay for time.
I don't understand. That one I talk. No, that one I talk. Now, me I can't move now, eh? I can't go to follow guests, go to the stage, Abi. No, we want play ball now, secondary school and primary school. I go to follow them, go to stage. Which can matter be that one now? Anybody, I'm fua. I'm fua. If no like yo, let me come and go to the stage for. No, why rugged? Why rugged? Why? No, if I need to talk, you don't talk something where. I mean, where shall if you say you're gonna see and I go bring.
Yes, now.
Okay, more take on that easy, clear. See, una two, una no come at all. As we all drive reach there because that day I know say I go get very important appointment. As we all drive reach there, only one go just have to come out. And you come out, I just quick kill all of them, just spray them like 2 seconds. And you come out for them. You understand, bro? You enter motor go back because from there they go club. See, one day if you see them, one day. I know why you say maybe that day as I come spray one, you dodge my bullet. Bullet you need to waste for nothing. Or maybe as I they throw, they'll see carry them and throw come out throw. That bullet will come call your side. Your side. That is Igbewa. I don't tell now. Because I don't want you to stress myself that I want you to run out. Go out, so I come over there. No, don't need stress for my life.
Alright, sir. When the log on the office. Yes, sir. Come on, sir. Okay, sir.
Baby.
Oh, baby, how are you? So, is everything okay? When I met you, how are you? What's wrong?
Yes.
Oh, information. Yes. Okay. Like, what is information? Okay, okay. Yes.
Serpents, those other guys.
Yes. They have war. 2 of them, the 2 gangs. They can't win about war. The guys here not talk about guests, so they want to revenge.
Oh,
yes. So everybody, all of them, they are going to be there tomorrow.
Okay.
So it's a very good opportunity for you guys. What I am meeting here. So if no cancel the alley, I had the one here, I had the one location. Okay. It may take excuse we can the near the way you know what we go
our office material now. You understand? So we have to take the office. One, we don't really have but we are in our
yes, sure. Yeah,
when the time.
Yes.
Okay, well, the next talk. I promise you, we're going to get those people tomorrow.
Yes, I really want to get them down.
I promise you, baby.
I want to revenge. Yeah, revenge you. I want to get all of them down.
So, maybe office.
Okay, make a meeting with the baby because he can't travel. So I'll be staying here tonight.
Feel free, this is your home. Okay? So maybe I'll call you. Try to later.
Iwe no kafi no, anana fiye negere. Iwe no keke fiye, anana no fiye no say.
Commission mama, oh, nice, yes. When you get in the camera, you will also say. So when I explain it somehow, you there. I told you it's now our informant.
Yeah.
So okay. I make good information on money there. Information I can't hear more. Petty spider.
Okay.
So like I walk back I will to you. I walk away. Yeah, I go looking. Yeah, wow, we look me. So I really appreciate it. Give me 100.
That's very good. Wakakaboye tiakbiano.
Yes, sir.
That's nice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why we mean now? Mama atim now. Rudin now. Now what will happen? You go and arrange your men. Who vient faire make sure we are boss tewa. Wa mana meni kemu, ma meni kereni. No when you a serpent. Wa are gume. You ni ya we de wa mwe keke me nunu gume.
I promise you, sir.
We are kakabo. Kakabo wa ya. Ma una miss opportunity now. Opportunity no kwa worry now.
Sir, yeah, we.
No problem.
Yeah,
I'm always proud of you.
All right.
I'm counting on you.
No problem, sir. Thank you. Come on, sir. Come on.
Oh, funky. Oh, mono which you be about so. And every one of those breaking away. They break everywhere, boss, not before everybody. See, I fight with this. They will receive a matter for the judge. Oh, where will you be?
At this point, when of my way, oh, how many to make cross way? Oh, how many down you need boa? Who you be?
Come on, sleep there. Put down my friend. Okay.
UK will betray me. UK, why? When he may pick in the street, you not clean well. How dare you?
Just take a good look at me. You see, so we can't find me with my recognizing me.
You mad? Ewa UK, why don't I recognize you?
Okay, let me remind you, because you must be the biggest fool in this whole wide world. Me. Well, remember a few months ago, in Echo Street, a family moved. Remember? You killed my father. You killed my mother. Because of you, my younger sister died. And you're telling me you can't remember me. Your end time has come. Yes.
Everybody lie down! Now! I said lie down! Lie down! Lie down! Are you mad? Lie down! You're very stupid. Shut up! Hey! I said shut up! Shut up!
No. Who asked you for melody? No.
Talk too much. Do you even have money to pay for your life right now? Why is it that over there? I'm not here for your money. I'm here for your life. Sagata! Mama! What is my head?
day I came back from service.
You can't wait.
In my presence, you killed my family.
No. Aim away. It wasn't me. Uncle Welo. Yes. Your uncle contacted I and my girls to do it. You win it better one. You win it visual one. I only
Did my job.
Yes.
You mean Ipadegbe?
Yes.
God.
Sorry. Egwe, you know,
I wanted to kill you people by myself, like if you only kill you, but make me work. But I couldn't, because the man is tenable. Your end time has come.
I know.
Speak out.
I know.
Officer, take them.
You caused me pain to never be there with you. You will rot in jail. Because of jealousy, you killed your brother.
This is my official commissioner.
Oh, this is my official lawyer.
No, only security first. You know what? You think I feel to see now. Maybe a commissioner will give us in now. You know that? So that can allow the doctor is affair.
Thank you so much for everything you've done for me. Why should not feel that way with you? Why should not come away? Things that I'm not supposed to do. I'm not going to do wrong thing.
You know what? When I help you understand, you know, you have to sacrifice your life in a way. Sacrifice anything for you.
I never thought I would have this kind of a bright future.
No.
You came into my life with not fear. Thank you.
You have people worry.
Thank you for helping me to revenge.
It's not duty. It's not duty. Your happiness is my happiness. You know that.
I love you so much. The baby just kicked.
And I'll stop on with you. Oh, guys, I feel see. I'm going to drive today.
Iwe no kafi no, anana fiye negere. Iwe no keke fiye, anana no fiye no se. Ugaya uve ya uwe, ugaya five ya fiwe. Ona elegbewi, ona eboti ana tuwane. Iwe legbewi na kiyo, ona eboti ana tuwane.